guy's cleaning the fish and he throws the scraps in. I don't know if you can see. There's a lot of fish in there. He's coming after the scraps. They're pretty good sized fish. And the pelicans over here, he'll come in there and he snatches up some too. Wow, I mean, you can really, the water's pretty clear, you can pretty much see them. See, he'll throw it out there. The pelican comes get some. There's that fish coming up for it. Wow. That's cool. Wow. Fish just came in and got it. Wow. Man, I hope this comes through on the video. This water is probably, you can see the bottom. It's probably 6, 8, 10 foot deep. Man, it's really cool.
What do you like?
Really interesting. But anyway, I'll show that to you. I thought it was kind of cool. Pelicans. Oh, there's another fish coming in. Anyway, pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. Well, this is Mike. NoStressMike.com.
No, vamos a comer.